Hi guys, it's Dane and Andrew again from TV's on Tour.
Sorry we've been missing in action, but life's been getting in the way. But in the meantime, we've made some mods to GQ, and I thought we would just show you today and then do some cinematic shots.
So we'll just show you the few mods that have been done to it while we've been MIA. So Andy will tell you what's been done.
There, it's a bit dirty, but we got some sinister off-road rock sliders that we put on literally last weekend. A bit of a mission, but yeah. Then we got a new exhaust, custom exhaust built.
I don't know if they heard that.
Custom exhaust built.
Thank you.
As you can see, show me. Can you grind it back and some more open? Get underneath there, Dave.
You can kind of see.
Dave will insert the video, see what it sounds like. And they got this side as well with the other side on cool.
And a bit more of the exhaust. So it's just got a cat and a muffler, and it's in a 2.5-inch exhaust, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not, yeah, stainless steel as well.
High flow cat.
Yeah, high flow cat.
Muffler, small muffler, and then straight the rest of the way through.
Yeah.
Bang, bang, bang.
So yeah, it's got pacemaker extractors already, which came with the car. And yeah, we just thought it'd give it a full exhaust system, so it had a bit more, oh, I can't swear, had a bit more noise to it. So yeah, we thought he'd upgrade the exhaust so we could have a bit more noise to the car before he got the turbo kit done, which is still in the working, but again, life's been getting in the way. What was that?
It'll be there in get 6 months. 6 months.
6 months.
At most.
At most. We're not promising anything, but it's an idea. So yeah, that's a little update of what's been happening, where we've just disappeared to, but yeah, it's just life's been getting in the way. Yeah. So yeah, that's a little update on Andy's GQ anyway, two little mods, or two decent mods actually.
Everyone actually told us to do, to be honest.
Yeah, an exhaust so she has some noise to it now, and rock sliders protect the sills. So that's now been done. So yeah, today we're just going to pretty much get some nice rolling shots and some cinematic footage for yous, so we can get some more content out there and get back into a, I don't know, flow of it, I guess.
Content, yeah.
But yeah, and we've also been waiting for my car, my Turbo TB42, which has been still in the shop, which is just nightmare after nightmare. Right now we're waiting on Ross Performance to send us back a new harmonic balancer, as they sent us the lightweight one, which doesn't support AC, like air conditioning. So they're now making a part for us, machining another flywheel or whatever you call the harmonic balancer for us. So yeah, I can't even tell you when it will be done. Hopefully in the next few weeks, but things just keep popping up. But yeah, let's get into the shots. The daily crew. Sponsored by Monster Energy.
Not so daily, this thing.
TV's on tour. that's pretty much what we have time for today.
Yeah, no, we're going to try and get back to weekly videos now. So yeah, life and stuff just got in the way. So
Hopefully, yeah. Should be back to weekly videos now, but yeah, it's just been a nightmare. Hopefully my car's actually done before Christmas and then we can go away with it and plan some trips, but it's just unpredictable at the moment.
everything's unpredictable.
It is. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video anyway. We thought we'd that we have to get something out, get back into the role of it.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and yeah. We'll see you on the next one.